Hi, hello students. This is Miss Wang. I'm so happy to have a video teaching with you. So in this video, we will continue Unit 4, Eat Smart. And then let me show you the PowerPoint first. Please wait for a moment. Can you see that? So in this video, we will continue the vocabulary of Unit 4, Eat Smart, and we will learn the phrases of quantity. So we will leave forming adjective in the next video. Alright, so you learn the phrases of quantity that we use with food items. So let's see. Jane wants to tell us how much food she has in her bag. So let's count. Oh, she got 2 apples, right? So let's count. 1, 2, 2 apples. How about eggs? How many eggs does she have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 eggs. Okay, how about this? She got some chocolate and some bread. So wait a minute. These are uncountable nouns. How can we count? Can we say 1 chocolate or 1 bread? No, sorry, we can't say it like this. So how can we count them? How can we say them? Well, actually, we can use phrases of quantity to count these uncountable food items. So, for example, just like this, 一個麵包嚇。But in English, is we have to say a loaf of bread, a loaf of bread. Okay, but how about we cut it into this way? We cut up like this. We can say a piece of bread, a piece of bread, or a slice of bread, a slice of bread. There are so many slices of bread, right? So we can use 2 slices of bread or 2 pieces of bread. So this one also got like a loaf of bread, and then can you see if inside is a kind of like different pieces, many pieces of bread inside. Okay. All right. Next. How about chocolate and bread? Let's see. A bar of chocolate, a bar of chocolates. Or bread, we can say a loaf of bread, a loaf of bread. But how about 2? I got 2 bars, so we can just add s here to make it like some kind like countable. So we can say 2 bars of chocolate, 2 bars of chocolate. We cannot add s here because this word is uncountable, uncountable. So we cannot add s, but the s is moved to here. 2 bars of chocolate. How about 2 loaves of bread? Oh, we can say 2 loaves of bread. 2 loaves of bread. Okay, the F changed to V and add ES afterwards, and then 2 before. Can we say 2 loaves of bread? No, sorry, because the S is moved to here. All right, next. So these are the examples of other phrases of quantity. A bunch of bananas, a bunch of bananas, a bunch of grapes, a bunch of grapes. All right, actually, bananas and grapes are also countable. They are countable actually. 佢哋都數到喎, but we can also still use phrases of quantity. 都可以用 phrases of quantity, a bunch of 嘅. A bunch of means 一抽或一梳嚇，一梳蕉一抽嘅一束嘅提子。All right, next. How about 2? How can we say in 2? A bunch of bananas, a bunch of grapes. How about 2? Oh, 2 bunches of bananas, 2 bunches of grapes. We can add es here because this ch, after ch we have to add es. Okay, es. 2 bunches of bananas, 2 bunches of grapes. Because they're countable, 呢度數到㗎嘛 countable, so we can still use s here. 因為呢個數到嘅，所以呢度可以 s， 呢度都可以 s， 而呢度都可以加翻 s。OK， next a carton of black currant juice, a carton of black currant juice, a carton of soy milk, a carton of soy milk. Oh, Miss Wong does not have black currant juice or soy milk, but I got this. Chicken soup. Okay, a carton of chicken soup. Next, a carton of blackberry juice, a carton of soy milk. How about two? 2 cartons of blackcurrant juice. 2 cartons of blackcurrant juice. 2 cartons of soy milk. 2 cartons of soy milk. So we can add the s here. Cartons 兩盒啊嘛，兩包 right? But we cannot add s here. No s here because 我哋數唔到 milk 係數唔到嘅 juice 都係數唔到 uncountable. Okay, next, a packet of raisins, 提子乾 a packet of raisins, a packet of seaweed, a packet of seaweed. Miss Wong also got a packet of seaweed. This is a Korean brand. Okay, how about two packets of raisins? 2 packets of raisins. Oh, you can see the S here because there are 1, 2. And the raisins is countable 數到嘅，咁所以呢度都可以照會有 S. Okay. 2 packets of seaweed. 2 packets of seaweed. 點解有 S 嘅？ Because 1, 2. 2 packets. Seaweed is uncount. 佢數唔到嘅喎，所以唔可以有 S 嘅。No S here. Okay. A jar of honey. 一樽啊，一罐。哦，how can I say？ 一個玻璃樽嘅 ，OK。A jar of peanut butter. Well, this one also got a jar of like this. You know what's this? A glass jar of wolfberry. 杞子啊，杞子 is a kind of Chinese herbs. How about two? It's easy. 2 jars of honey. 2 jars of honey. 2 jars of peanut butter. 2 jars of peanut butter. We cannot add s here, no s here because they are uncountable. Uncountable, but the s is here. Okay, 兩罐嚟 1, 2, 1, 2, right? Next, a tin of nuts. A tin of tuna fish. tin 可以係罐頭咁樣咯，通常係罐頭嘅 just like this. This one also got a tin of cat food. A tin of cat food is tuna with white base. Tuna with white base. Okay. How about two? Easy. 2 tins of nuts. 2 tins of nuts. We can add s here because it's countable. 雖然佢呢度已經有 s， 但係因為佢係眾數嘅，因為佢係對唔住，因為佢數得到嘅，所以我都可以 s here. Also s here. A tin. How about two? 2 tins of tuna fish. Tuna fish cannot be s. No s. No s should be added to fish. Fish 上面唔可以加 s 嘅， so we add the s here instead. So let's do some quick check. So choose the correct quantity of phrases. For milk, I think it's not a boxes, it's a carton of milk. How about this? Are packets of potato chips, right? Packets of potato chips. This one also got a packet. Chia seed,奇亞籽. It is very healthy. It is one of the superfood in the world. Okay, it's very healthy. It's got a lot of nutrients. It is very nutritious. Okay, next. Well, grapes. I think it's a bunch of grapes. Okay, a loaf of bread. Loaf always is with bread. It is always used with bread. Loaf is always used with bread. Okay, how about this? A jar of peanut butter, a carton of orange juice. Can you recognize this? How about this? How can we call this? Or this? Okay, we can call a bottle of like imperitate cane drink, imperitate cane drink, 竹蔗茅根水. This is a bottle of lemon water, a bottle of lemon water, bottle. Let me write it down for you, a bottle. Water or lemon water or imperitate cane drink. Next, it's easy. A bar of chocolate, a packet of cookies. Even 咁細嘅包裝, we can also say a packet of cookies. Alright, so that's all for this video. I hope you learned a lot. So we will continue in the next video. So see you. Bye bye.